Oh, welcome back to the Oasis. We're doing just a quick grocery haul of some things we got from Aldi. Aldi is a little ways from us, but we had to take our son to the orthodontist to work on his braces. Got to get them teeth fixed. So I made my trip to Aldi, and I'm going to show you what we got. All right, so we're going to start right here. We got some cheese. We got the Kobe Jack cheese, which I hadn't seen before, so I was going to try that. I usually like Kobe Jack. We always get this white cheddar here, and it's a really good price. It's organic. Both of them are organic, so we really like both of those cheeses. I also got the full round mozzarella cheese. I guess that's what we call it, the ball of cheese. See, it's a full ball there. And I just cut it up. I kind of use it, you know, for tacos or on a pizza, anything like that we're making. And it's really, really good. I found this today, the bread. The Great White organic bread. So it's maybe a little bit more healthier for our kids. Help them eat a little bit better, but still giving them that flavor that they like. I got this for me and the hubby. Seriously Seeded. I think it's supposed to be like a knockoff of the Dave's Killer bread, the seeded bread. And I really like his bread, so I want to try this one. This one was a little bit cheaper than his bread, maybe $1 or so cheaper than what his normally is. It was $3.49 for that, and then the organic bread right here was $4.45. So good prices on that. I got some hot dog buns for my son. He usually eats the beef hot dogs. I also got the uncured turkey franks for myself because I really like those. No nitrates or nitrites added. So a little bit healthier for you there. Then I got this turkey breast. It's pre-sliced, just Aldi brand. And it was, yeah, $2.99 for 8 ounces. So not bad. Make a couple sandwiches for the kiddos. And then we got the favorite of our kids, Hawaiian sweet rolls. He loves these things. And the King's Hawaiians cost a fortune. But at Aldi, these work great. He doesn't tell the difference. And they are like $1.99, I want to say. Somewhere around in that range. So, really good deal. I always get these when we travel to Aldi. I also got some Fit and Active low carb tortillas. They're 4 grams net carbs. I got 2 of those. Oh, and I also got 2 of the sweet rolls until we can make it until we get back. I try and do low carb / keto. Just cutting back on the carbs a little bit. Help keep our weight in check as we get older. And then this time I got some meat. I got 2 packs of chicken wings. They weren't bad. They were like $2.29 a pound. So not too bad. It looks like it's about 10 chicken wings in there in each pack. So 2 chicken wings will do us good for a family meal. Probably OT is going to put these on the grill. So we will upload that video later when he hooks those up. His famous grilled chicken wings. I also got a chuck roast. This thing is massive. USDA Choice Black Angus chuck roast. Aldi brand. It was about $3.99 a pound. So total was like $13 for 3 pounds. So, you know, pretty good deal there. I'm actually going to put this in the Instapot and cook it up that way. It always comes out super tender. Wonderful to eat with some rice and some vegetables. And then I also got a pack of chicken thighs. These were 99 cents a pound. So really good deal. So $44 for the whole pack. And that'll feed our family for one meal. I also just got some napkins because we need a few more napkins. But this I got here, if you can see, Vista Bay Hard Seltzer. I read some reviews on it, and some people seem to like it, some people don't. So we're gonna see how we like it. And then I also got some sugar. We don't use a whole bunch of sugar, but this brand was really good. I usually get it at Dollar Tree because it's like $1 for a little pack, but I think like it's like $1 for a pound at Dollar Tree. And this, if you can see, is 6 pounds, and it was $3.49. So it's a little bit better deal. It'll take us a while to use this up, but at least we'll have it in the pantry for when we need it. I usually make a homemade Gatorade with this for the boys, so they can stay hydrated and everything like that. So it's a really good deal on that, I think. I just got a bag of onions. I was running a little bit low. These are sweet onions. I usually get whatever they have. Oh no, actually these are yellow onions. So I got the yellow onions this time. Grown in the USA. And we'll use those up as we go through the month. And then this is my favorite sauce for just about everything. I can make a spaghetti sauce out of this, even though it's marinara. It works great. I make them spaghetti sauce. I put it on pizza. I can make a little dip for the kids to, you know, dip their pizza bites in or whatever they're eating. It's great. It's organic. Not really a whole bunch. You know, pretty good. Even if you're doing low carb or keto, you can make it work. And then see the ingredients, just straight up ingredients I can read. So I appreciate that. Then we got the canned good haul. I was out of corn completely. So I got 2 cans of corn. And I think they were like 89 cents a piece. And then I got the tomatoes. Went ahead and got organic in those because it was really not much more in price. If you go to other stores and try and get, you know, organic tomatoes, it would be a little bit more expensive. These, I think, were like $1, let's say $1.20 something. But I'll post the prices of everything below, of course. And then this chili starter, which I have not seen before. It was really interesting and pretty clean ingredients. Non-GMO. All you gotta do is add your meat and beans. See, it's pretty simple. And then the ingredients. I mean, pretty clean. I can read everything. Look really good to me. So, OT will probably do like add this and start up a smoked chili or something like that on the grill. But we'll see what we can do with it. And then I got some beans. I usually keep some black beans. I keep some pinto beans, and I keep some kidney beans. All of these were organic, and they were all a really good price, like 89.99 cents for them. So that was a really good deal. And these, check out these massive peaches. You can't, I mean, the camera doesn't even do it justice. Like, can you see? Like my hand, these peaches were so huge. So I had to get, you know, 2 for the kids. They just cut them up and they can have them for a snack while they're home schooling, or rather doing virtual school. They're home, so we have to have a lot of snacks on hand. So that's our haul for today. This again is from Aldi. I'll put out all the information below with the prices and everything. And until next time, we'll see you later. Take care, family. Bye-bye.